แต่ว่าได้อัดซันไม่อ่อนเลยใช่แล้วThe biggest one.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kali ini lanjutan video dari sebelumnya ya, Jurong Bird Park 1. Jika kalian belum menontonnya, setelah ini kalian bisa melihat channel saya untuk menontonnya. Kalau kalian suka, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Dan jangan lupa pula meninggalkan jejak dengan mengaktifkan tombol notifikasinya, biar kalian terupdate dengan video-video saya yang terbaru. Let's go to the show, check it out.
Whoa, look at that, well done. All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give our young volunteer a big round of applause. Whoa, look at that. That was 1, 2. Excellent. Okay, keep your eyes on that one. One last close coming up for that guy right up there. Whoa, well done. A round of applause for our guys, everyone. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, where? Up there. Probably it's a pigeon. There's a one right up there. Okay, he's going to make his way down very shortly. Gentle reminder to everyone, please remain seated and be as quiet as possible so you can get to experience the owl's silent flight. Here it comes. Ooh, very low above the heads. Ladies and gentlemen, unlike other birds of prey, only reason, there's another reason too. What do owls mainly hunt for at night? Anyone knows? Mice and rats, rodents. Rodents come out at night, and rodents have an acute sense of hearing. So the owl has to be very quiet as well, right? Gentlemen, there's a Brazil eagle on my arm is the American bald eagle. Her name is Susie, by the way. Now, bald eagles can be found in North America, and some of you might be wondering, why are they called the bald eagles when they actually do have feathers on their head? Well, basically, the word bald is an older English word for white head, so that's how they got the name. Now, these birds build really huge nests. If you're wondering how big the nest could get, take a look at the pond behind me. That would give you a rough idea. And the world record for the heaviest bald eagle nest weighs an impressive 2 tons. That's right, 2 tons. Good. Not joking, you can Google it, right? The main source of diet for these birds consists of fish, but they're also known to go for smaller birds and mammals as well. By the way, lovely Susie over here is 18 years old this year. Thank you very much. Go and give a big round of applause, everyone. Bye-bye, see you later. Ladies and gentlemen, our next bird of prey has got very keen sense of smell. It is able to pick up the stench of a rotting carcass a mile away. I mentioned the word carcass, right? What type of a bird of prey would you associate with a carcass? Vulture, very good. So everyone, let's welcome Titan. Ladies and gentlemen, Titan, our turkey vulture. Now, turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. As I mentioned earlier on, they have a very keen sense of smell, so usually the turkeys are the first to reach a carcass. They may be the first, but at times they might not be able to consume the food as yet, because unlike their larger counterparts, turkey vultures do not have strong and powerful beaks to rip apart very tough meat. So they will have to rely on larger vultures to help them out. And here's a very interesting fact about the turkey vulture. They have a very acidic stomach acid, almost zero pH level. So you can imagine how powerful their digestive system is, okay? Thank you very much, Titan. Time for you to head back home as well. All the way back to the X. See you later. A round of applause for Titan, everyone. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Himalayan griffon vultures, they can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas, and during winter, young vultures are known to fly down south. When they do so, some of them tend to go out of course, and they end up lost in different parts of Asia. Just like Genghis, he was found to be very weak and dehydrated right here in Singapore in Orchard Road. That's right, this was back in 2005. The authorities contacted us, we managed to rescue him and nurse him back to good health. Don't you think he looks pretty healthy right now? Yes, okay, thank you very much, boy. We're going to see more of his friends later on, but right now it's time for him to head back home. A round of applause for Genghis, everyone. Thank you. And with that, we shall continue. When one vulture descends upon a carcass, more will follow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, joining us in the arena right now are griffon vultures, and I'm going to start introducing them very shortly. We'll start off with this big boy right over here. I'm going to get him a bite. There you go. Whoa, look at that. The Cinereus vulture from Europe and Asia. Now, along with the Cinereus vultures, we also have the smaller grey ones. Those are the African white-backed vultures, and they can be found in Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, vultures are extremely important birds to our environment because they help to control the spread of contagious diseases by cleaning up animal carcasses. Unfortunately, the world's vulture population is rapidly declining in the wild, and a lot of conservation effort is needed to ensure that their numbers thrive again. Now, the world's vulture population, especially in Asia and in Africa, has depleted a drastic amount, right? Drastic as in 1% left. That's how bad it is. Over here in the JURONG Bird Park, we recently partnered with BirdLife International to help conserve 3 critically endangered Asian vulture species in Cambodia. This would be the Asian white-backed vulture, the red-headed vulture, and also the slender-billed vulture. This conservation project would not have been possible without your support, so please give yourselves a round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, he's being very sneaky right now. There's no more food. There's no more food. You can ask him. Okay. Alright, where was I? Conservation project, right? The conservation project was very fruitful because recently the Cambodian government has actually banned the use of diclofenac, which is a veterinary drug that's used for cattle, right? This is very highly toxic for vultures, so they have totally banned it. The first country to ban it was India, followed by Africa, and now Cambodia. This is a huge success for vulture conservation. So let's give them a big round of applause. There you go. Thank you. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, after having seen all these birds flown here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the King of the Sky. Thank you. All of you are more than welcome to come forward, ask questions regarding the birds you saw on the show. And before you go, please remember to take all your belongings with you. You have been a great audience, everyone. Have a great day in the park. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.
Sebelum kita pulang, kita lewati toko pernak-pernik guys, oleh-oleh buat kita pulang nanti. Pokoknya di sini semuanya ada semua deh. Yang habis jalan-jalan, lapar, boleh makan di sini. Cukup sekian video jalan-jalan saya kali ini. Sebelum meninggalkan channel ini, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan nyalakan tombol notifikasinya biar kalian terupdate dengan video-video saya yang terbaru. Tinggalkan komen, kritik, dan saran supaya channel ini berkembang dan lebih maju. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.